Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is the ultimate smoothie recipe. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and you check the bell so you're notified of all the new videos. And I do appreciate that. This is an incredibly nutrient dense smoothie. There's a lot of nutrition here. I make this smoothie pretty big. It takes me about an hour to consume this. So if you're someone that's smaller, you might want to cut this recipe in half if it's too big, but I usually only eat once or twice a day, a couple times a day, so I get a lot of nutrition in, and here it is. For the ultimate smoothie recipe, this is what I put in it. I have 5 frozen bananas. I use a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I use about a cup or so of frozen berries. These are just mixed berries. I'm going to use a scoop of this Garden of Life raw organic meal, which is pretty nutrient dense. I'm going to use a scoop of each of these. I have Muscles by Nature and Superfood by Nature. These are powdered plants, just berries and greens, put into powdered form by Dr. Robert Morse. I'm going to use some soaked dates, 3 dates that I just soaked in water. I'm going to use a scoop of the Marcus Wild Forest Green formula. These are more dried plants, greens, and fruits. I'm going to use a couple scoops of Daily Green Boost, which is just barley grass juice powder dried up, a couple tablespoons of almond butter, and a couple tablespoons of cacao powder. And also I'm going to put in some almond milk as well. So that's everything for the ultimate smoothie recipe. And it fills my container to up to 2 liters. So it's pretty full, pretty packed. And once you blend it up, it makes just about over 1.5 liters. So that was it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Contact me if you want some coaching, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.